Today we will be going over why I think analysts are wrong on Roblox's stock price. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we talk about Roblox and its potential for a trade this week, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and to also leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want 2 free stocks and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get signed up with WeBull. But without any further ado, let's get into why analysts are wrong on Roblox's price target. So this is actually going to be my second video that I've made on Roblox, but it's going to be my first video that I have made on Roblox since its IPO. A lot of people have been asking me to make a video on my updated thoughts on Roblox after its IPO, so that's what we're here to do today. In this video, I plan to give an overview of Roblox for new investors. I plan to talk about analyst price targets and why I think they're wrong on those price targets. And then at the end of the video, I'll give some technical analysis on Roblox as a whole. So let's get into the overview. Roblox is a gaming platform that allows their young demographic to explore 3D digital worlds. They have a market cap of about 42 billion and an average trading volume of about 20 million. The trading volume was up to 30 million today on 2 pieces of news. The first piece of news that doesn't matter as much but is still news for Roblox is that they will have a 12 episode show on Genius Brands network. Now this 12 episode show is probably going to help out Genius Brands more than it does Roblox, but I made a video on how it helps out Genius Brands yesterday, so if you guys want to check that out, it'll be in a card right now. And the second piece of news is that they got a new price target from a well-known analyst. And that is what the topic of today's video is focused on, is the price target from this new analyst. So far, from what I can see, Roblox has only received 2 price targets so far, and one is reasonable and then the other is just off base. First, let's go over the price target that was initiated today by Stifel. Now, Stifel is the one who gave a reasonable price target, and that price target is $85, which presents an 18% upside for the stock, which I think is very reasonable. Now, I think that price target is low, but at the end of the day, 18% upside for a stock that has a lot of hype around it and just IPO'd is good. But the second price target, Jesus. The second price target is at $60 per share, which is lower than the initial price of its IPO. I think that price target is way off base and that Roblox will never get to that price in their history of them being public. That's not a guarantee, that's just what I think. And let me get into the reasons why I think that. For one, their daily active users grew by 85% to 32.6 million in 2020, accelerating past their past growth of 47% in 2019. Second, revenue also grew by 82% to 923 million in 2020 and is only showing signs of growth in the future. And lastly, they're on Wall Street Bet's radar, so there's no way they can go down. I'm just kidding on that last part, but seriously, the growth that Roblox has been seeing recently is unprecedented and can continue this year as well. Gaming is just getting started and Roblox is at the forefront of that sector. In all honesty, I can see Roblox hitting 100 by the end of the year, and that's a conservative estimate for me. So yes, I think that both stock analysts are wrong on Roblox's price target. One is just way more wrong than the other. But before I give my overall thoughts on Roblox, let's head over to my computer to do some technical analysis. Alright everyone, so we are at my computer so we can start our technical analysis, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so you see Roblox was trading up higher today because of the news that came out about the price target, as well as the Genius deal. Obviously, the Genius deal probably didn't have much to do with the almost 7% gain that Roblox had today. But I wanted to show you guys, so obviously this is a bearish pattern here. But something arose that you don't see that often, and this is the 3 white shoulders pattern. So this is a downward trend, and the 3 white soldiers is a trend reversal. So obviously it was on a downward trend. As soon as you see 3 candlesticks in a bearish pattern, as soon as you see 3 green candlesticks, that actually indicates a trend reversal, and it'll start back up its trend. So obviously, once you see the 3rd candlestick, that's before even the MACD, the blue line crossed over the orange line on the MACD. So you could actually tell before the MACD even could tell that it is going to be an upward trend. But as for where I'm trying to buy in, I actually did, I was trading Roblox. Well, actually, I'm investing in Roblox. I want to invest in this for the long term. But I saw this trend reversal, and I thought it was really good. I saw the price target that the analysts put out, and I thought this was a good time to get in. I really do think that Roblox could go. I do think that Roblox can hit 100 by the end of this year. That's not financial advice, that's just my thoughts. But anyways, so I just thought I'd show you guys that they did have the 3 white soldiers here, which is a trend reversal, which started a bullish trend. But as for a trade for tomorrow, obviously you see a lot of sell volume at the end of today. It was up 7%. You kind of expect that. We'll see how it opens tomorrow. I already built out my position for now, but if I were to see levels in the 75 to 76 area, that's where I would really want to buy in. But I don't know if we'll see that tomorrow, considering all the good news we've gotten recently. But that's going to be it for my technical analysis, and I'll see you back in the regular scheduled programming. As for my overall thoughts on Roblox, I already gave them in the last video I made on it, but it stays the same. I think that Roblox could continue to grow, whether or not it's going to be at the same pace that it is now. Even if they take a 50% cut on their growth, that's still 40%, and it's still at the forefront of gaming, and I still think that would lead to growth in the stock's price. But overall, I really like Roblox, and I'm currently building out my position for it now. But I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor, and that this is not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, make sure you seek it from a professional financial advisor and not some random guy you met on the internet 5 minutes ago. But if you are interested in buying this stock and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is make an account, deposit $100, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. And now for comment of the day. Y'all comment and I pick one of your comments for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is coming from Joseph, and he said, "Genius, favorite stock at the moment because of the potential and easy trade." Thanks for the comment, Joseph, and I totally agree. I think Genius has a lot of upside, and if you guys want to watch the video I made on Genius yesterday, go ahead and click the card right now. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it shows we're doing something right here. But now, my name is Zach, and I will see you in the next video.